Good Friday evening to you. Richard Scott here for the forecast update. We got some rain coming in for parts of the weekend, but understand, not going to rain all weekend. As of 9:45, got some active thunderstorms across southern Marengo County, Wilcox County, and parts of Monroe County getting some of that activity. You can actually see the lightning as far north as Tuscaloosa, looking down to the south, which is quite interesting to see that far away. Those storms are quite a far away south of Tuscaloosa, a good 90 miles or so. Here's a look from Brodini. Now we're looking off to the north, back towards the Northport area from the University of Alabama campus, and it's still pretty warm tonight, 76 currently in Tuscaloosa. 68 back in Summerton. Their wind is light to calm. They topped out at 86 this afternoon, and almost 90 today. Tuscaloosa for the second day in the row, topping out at 89. Again, 70s predominantly across the board, although places like Coleman and Haleyville are down to the 60s now. There's the active storms to our south. Those seem to be weakening those. It'll do lift off to the northeast. Now, we'll see another batch of storms develop. You can actually see that on the very left side of your screen over Louisiana. That activity will push into West Alabama the pre-dawn hours tomorrow morning. So here's your forecast for Saturday. Again, we'll start the day off with a cluster of scattered storms moving eastward across Alabama. Now, it's not going to rain everywhere in the morning, but there will be some rain out there. Lunchtime, I think we'll be in a lull period by noon for much of central Alabama, and then by the afternoon, the second round of showers and thunderstorms will come in. Again, this whole system is pretty disorganized. We've got a cluster of thunderstorms that's west of Houston and Corpus Christi. That will be moving more east along the Gulf Coast. That'll actually be the round that we deal with tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, and we'll watch that with interest. There is a chance that shifts further southeast that it could miss parts of our coverage area, and most of the afternoon will be dry. I don't feel confident enough for that just yet. Most of our data does indicate at least some rain coming across the area, but I think the chance for anything severe is very low for central Alabama, so that's one good thing. Let me show you our forecast model. This is what things should evolve like. So 6 o'clock in the morning, again, we'll have some active thunderstorms moving northeast across Alabama. That quickly moves out. Again, midday, there'll be a couple of showers around, but you see that next round back in Mississippi at 1:30 coming east. Again, that could be too far north. That may be further south than what our model's showing. If that's the case, that could take some of that south of our area. We'll watch it. Again, it does look like we'll at least get some rain by mid to late afternoon. Here's 3:30. Storms are coming in. Go to 6 o'clock. Storms are pushing into East Alabama. And by 2 a.m. Sunday morning, rain is pretty much heading out with dry weather moving in on Sunday. Again, severe weather unlikely with this. There could be some strong gusty winds to some of these storms as they come in Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Lightning will be a main concern with that as well. So again, between 3 a.m. and 9 a.m., areas near north of I-20, you stand the best chance of seeing that first round of rain. Further south you go, the chance is much less likely. 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. I think we'll be mostly in a lull where there could be a couple of showers around. So we've got plans between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. on Saturday. Many of us should be rain-free at that point. Second round comes in 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. That's the time frame we're looking at. Again, it starts in the west, pushes east through the afternoon and evening hours. The better chance will be roughly south of Hamilton and Coleman. Most of our coverage area is in a pretty good chance for seeing some storms with that. So again, the rain chance, we got highlighted there for Saturday. A good chance for some showers and storms, and that chance goes down on Sunday. So again, it's not going to rain all day on Saturday. Just understand there will be two opportunities for some storms, one in the early morning, one in the afternoon, with a little bit of a break in between those. Now, Sunday's looking good. We'll be back in the low 80s, partly sunny and mild. So 65 tonight, some storms late tonight. Tomorrow, 80 degrees. Scattered storms. Again, it will not rain all day. Here's your 7-day. Again, Monday going to be pretty hot. We're back in the upper 80s. Tuesday, we're in the upper 80s with a few showers and storms late in the day, and then another opportunity, some rain coming in late next week.